Hello friends, I'm Talha Siddiqui and probably I'm gonna guide you for the demo of Image Maker. So this is the login screen where it's a desktop based software and you can use it without the internet too. Basically you have to log in as you can get the ID password. You can change both the ID and password for your reference. First and foremost important thing is that you need to make categories of mobile phones and categories of patterns. So when you make categories of mobile phones, let's see, we have iPhone. So we can make a category of iPhone and we can put all the iPhones under this iPhone section. And we can make pattern categories to unlimited pattern categories. There's no limitation either on creating categories or SKUs. So we providing you the solution. You can create unlimited categories or unlimited SKUs as per your desire. So pattern, we have abstract category and we have made a cartoon category also for your reference, a few of them, couple of typographies just for your reference. It's very easy, the software is very user friendly, we've kept it very basic so you understand it more. We'll tell you about the algorithms when probably when you're buying the software. So now we can start by adding phones. So let's add an iPhone. We have 3 4 iPhones. Okay, so we'll select these phones. Okay, and it's added on a click. So now this will be the code, SKU code with the name will be generated iPhone 6. So it's IP6. iPhone 6 will be the SKU code will be generated. If in order to change it, you have to double click it and change it like an IP6 for example. Okay, now if you can see here the height and width. The height and width is actually the original height and width of the phone or the cover. So we can bulk change it also. Just export this into an Excel file on desktop. We will name it as trial. We've kept few entries already so that we don't waste your time, in the demo. Probably you can add it. See, just copy paste it onto the trial category sheet. This is the original height with the print file. We'll save the print files. No great work. Just import it back and all the entries are being changed. Now we can start by adding patterns. That's the your artwork. Okay, we'll go to abstract category and add only the abstract. So next time we can create only abstract if we want to. Okay, now we can add cartoons. And simultaneously we can add typography. Friends, we added 15 of patterns for your reference. As you can see here, the pattern codes with the name of uh, probably, what do you say, the pattern names are the actual name which is of the file from the desktop or any other location, but I want to change it now. I don't want this to be named, so we can rename it as per your convenience. I want to put as prefix as T and just put as 001, and you can change the code name, both code and name, but right now I just want to change the code so that the SKUs are being made on that particular name. Okay, as you can see, we can change it on a single click. You change pattern codes. That's very easy. Now you can start making mockups. On a single click, you can create lakhs of SKUs. Okay, we've added only iPhone, so we selected only iPhone phones. Over here, you can select categories also like abstract, but we would like to show you all the 15 artworks so you can understand more. As you can see here, this is the FTP upload. There, if if we switch on this FTP, then you will get a tick mark here, so you can directly upload it on the FTP. You have to buy an FTP, integrate in the software automatically. You can integrate. We've given you the master where you can integrate the FTP details, and whenever you create mockups, you can switch on the FTP. As soon as you create display files, simultaneously the uploads will happen, and then you will get the Excel sheet. So right now 60 files will be made. We need to understand just one trial SKU. Okay, SKUs. So we need to understand that probably it's not that 60 display files have been made, it's the 60 print files also which is being generated simultaneously, and also the Excel sheet. So all the three things are happening together, and in less than a minute, you will probably 30 seconds, you will get the output of 120 files, 60 files of display, 60 files of print, and a Excel sheet with the details like URL details. Okay, it's done. So now this is a display. If I can show you 60 files of display. Let's see the display of iPhone 7, and double click and show it to you so you can understand it more. Okay, now we'll take a particular, let's say this panda, and we'll take its SKU code, and I'll show you. Well, let's go to the print section first. We was watching iPhone 7 Plus, so you can see these files. Now whenever you get the order, if you get the order, so what happens is you just search the SKU over here, and you get the display files and the print files. Now the best part is the print files are static, the quality is statically maintained, and the display file of a 96 DPI. So the uploads, now I'll show you the display file will be of 299 DPI, that is 300 DPI, and the display file will be of a lesser KB, that is 122 KB, and of 96 DPI, so that it does not affect your uploads. As you can see here, the actual file is being maintained, no changes have been done. So when you upload a display file, your customer can see the same, your customer will get the same output of the display. There won't be a pixel difference. And this is the Excel sheet which is required for marketplaces. Most important thing in this Excel sheet is the URL, the file path. So whenever you integrate the FTP, you will get the file path. So friends, this is the actual ImageMaker Pro version, the software. We've kept the software very user-friendly, simple, in order to make you understand. We've kept the demo also simple, and hopefully when you'll buy the software, we can exactly tell you how to use it, and probably within a span of 3 to 4 days, you'll understand everything and you'll get used to the software. It is very helpful. Hopefully this videos help you all, and most importantly friends, when you use the software, when you start using the software, you are not limited to, you start making your own display files, you start making your own print files, the Excel sheet. So all your backend work is done is optimized basically, and there's no chance of errors. So you can stick, probably your designer can create more of designs, rather he can concentrate on more on designing part rather than creating SKUs or print files. So hopefully this video is helpful to you, and you can always email us back on the given email address, and we provided you the contact details also. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.